to Creative Coral, or CC for short. It's Coral, and today we're going to be making a friendship bracelet. Now there are lots of different friendship bracelets, but we're just going to be making a basic one, so let's get started. So what you'll need is 4 different colors of string. I've already pre-cut them and they're about 25 inches long. Next step is to make a knot. So gather them all together and make sure they're all straight at the ends. So now, you're going to take the end, cross it over so you have a loop, and pull that string that you crossed over through that loop. Now, you want to make sure you get it through the loop and then kind of push the knot upwards as you tighten it. So you have a knot at the end. Next, you'll need a hard surface, some tape, and of course, your string. You're going to take your string and lay it down on the hard surface or the board or the table, wherever you're using it. And you want the knot to just hang down underneath the table or board. Now, where the string after the knot, so right after the knot, above the knot on the table, you want to put the tape over that string. Like so. So you have the knot hanging under, and then you have the string, and you want to tape it right on top of the knot. So then it will be secure, boom, 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 when we're braiding. So I've switched the camera, and you want to lay all your strings out separately so you can see which one's the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. You want to make sure none of them are touching, only at the top, because that'll be easier for you to braid. What you want to do is take your first string to the left, which is my pink, light pink one. You want to loop it over the string next to it, and then pull it through that loop. And then, once you've pulled it all through, pull it really tight. Like so. Then, I'm going to show you that again, because you have to do it twice for a double knot. You want to loop it over the string next to it, and then pull it through that loop that you made, and then leading with the pink on the top, pull it tight. Now, after you're done with that, you're going to see that it wants to come over. So then the string that you keep using the pink string, and you just move it over, so then the blue one's in front now. And you're going to do the same thing to the orange. Pull it, loop it over, and pull it through the loop you made, leading with the pink, pull it. And we're going to do it again. We're going to pull it over the orange, and loop it, not loop it, but pull it through that loop, and pull tight. And so now the orange is next to the blue, and you've got one more string that you have to do, which is the pink. I'm going to do the same thing again. You want to pull it over the pink and pull it through the loop, and then pull tight. And then do it again for a double knot. Pull it over the pink, and then loop it through that loop, and pull tight. Now, the pink's at the end. So then you're going to use the blue string and do it again. And you're just going to keep doing that until you go along. So I'll be right back with you guys when I've gotten pretty far into my bracelet. Guys, so I finished the bracelet. There are a few extra ends, but I couldn't make one more. So there it is, beautiful. Okay guys, hopefully all your bracelets went from this to this. I'm so happy with the finished bracelet. Now, if you like this video and want to watch more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that notifications bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video, and share this video with your friends because it really helps my channel. So hopefully you enjoyed this video and I'm excited to make more. See you next time. Bye!